In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Coinbase, and I'll also show you how to sell crypto on Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the biggest and most simple to use and most trusted crypto exchanges in the world. First of all, you want to sign up to Coinbase. If you haven't already, then I have an affiliate link in the description below, which if you sign up using it, then I will get a kickback, which massively helps support this channel. But if you don't want to use that, then that's fine also. So just feel free to go to the Coinbase site and press get started. Here you will have to enter some basic credentials. Then you will need to verify your email address. You will also need to provide a phone number for two-factor authentication. As Coinbase is regulated and to maintain compliance, you will have to provide KYC information. KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and this basically means you're uploading a copy of your ID and a selfie to prove you are not a criminal. Coinbase will then review and approve your application. Once your account is verified and you log in, you should see a page that looks like this, and this is the Coinbase homepage. Before you buy crypto, you will need to add a payment method to your account. This can be done by clicking on your profile in the top right, then going to settings and then selecting payment methods. And then you can add a payment method here. Here there are several options depending on how you want to fund your account. Options include bank transfers, credit and debit cards, or PayPal. It's worth noting that while credit and debit cards are the easiest, they generally come with higher fees and also have spending limits. Also, if you plan to transfer from a bank account, then some banks block transactions to crypto exchanges. I'm not going to go through every single option here as it will take ages, but each payment method has instructions listed underneath that you should be able to easily follow. For the sake of this demo, I have my bank card set up, and to buy crypto, you will click this buy and sell button at the top of the page. First of all, you want to pick your crypto you plan to buy. I'm going to leave this here on Bitcoin, but you can pick whichever one you want from this list, and there are hundreds. Now, you should always do your own extensive research, but to get a brief overview of a coin, you can find out some info by going to the trade button on the home page, then drilling into a specific coin. So for example, if I click on Ethereum here, you can see an overview of the coin, the white paper, and the official website, and you can see the community updates and top stories on this specific coin. But going back to purchasing, so once you've picked your crypto you want to buy, you can either enter a fiat amount or flip to a crypto amount by pressing these arrow buttons here. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to buy £10. Also, clicking the arrows here will give you a rough idea of how much crypto you will get. It's worth noting that the minimum purchase is £1.99. Obviously, this will vary depending on which currency you're coming from. Now, below the crypto, you need to pick the payment method you want to pay with. I'm going to pick my bank card here, but you could pick your GBP or other currency wallet if you have those fiat currencies on your account. So once you're happy with this, you can press preview buy. This will then show you how much crypto you are going to get, which is this amount here, and any fees involved with this purchase. The fee that Coinbase charges is based on a combination of factors such as market conditions, payment methods, and size of order. Coinbase also charges a spread fee like all other crypto exchanges and is included in the quoted price of the crypto you are buying. A spread fee is the same as when you buy foreign currency, and there is a buy price and a sell price, and the real price is somewhere in the middle. The difference in the price is what Coinbase takes for facilitating the transaction. So anyway, you can see from my £10, I'm purchasing £9.85 of Bitcoin, and the fee is 15p. And if you want to do a recurring buy, you can enable this slider here, but I'm going to leave this off for the sake of this demo. Anyway, to process this, you can just press buy now. And you can see that I've successfully purchased some Bitcoin. Woo! And you can click view details here if you want to see all the information about the transaction. Now you can see all the assets you hold by clicking on the home page or by clicking my assets here. I'm also going to show you how to sell crypto on Coinbase, because this is just as important as knowing how to buy. So quite simply, once again, click the buy and sell button at the top, and this time I'm going to click sell, and then you want to click the crypto you want to sell. So I'm going to say Bitcoin, and I'm going to say sell £10, But once again, you can either key in a fiat amount or a crypto amount here. Or if you want to sell the entirety of your holding, you can press sell all. But I don't want to do that. So if I say I'm going to sell £10, and then you can choose which currency wallet this will go to. Now, this depends where you are located in the world. I'm in the UK, so I get the option of GBP and Euro wallet. But I do believe if you're in Europe, you will just see the Euro wallet. And I presume if you're in the United States, you will just see a US dollar wallet here. So I want this to cash out to GBP. So I'm going to leave that as is. Then you can press preview sell. And then again, you can see how much crypto you're selling and how much money you're going to get into your wallet. At the time of recording, the crypto price includes a 3% spread fee, but this could change at any point in the future, so you may want to double check this. Now, if you wanted to cash this out to your wallet, you would press the sell now button, but I don't want to do this because I want to keep my Bitcoin. But if you press that button, then once it's in your account, you can then transfer it back to a bank account afterwards. But how to do that is for another video. Anyway, if you got any value from this video, then don't forget to give it a like, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more finance related content. And now that you know how to buy and sell crypto on the Coinbase website, you may want to know how to do this on the Coinbase app. So I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.